It was a quiet afternoon when the unexpected happened. My dog, Max, a loyal golden retriever, was playing in our yard, happily chasing after a ball when the HOA president, Mr. Thompson, suddenly appeared at the edge of the property. I had seen him around before, but we had never been on good terms. The neighborhood had its share of disputes, and the HOA seemed to be at the heart of them all. Max, being a friendly dog, trotted up to Mr. Thompson, wagging his tail in a typical playful manner. Without any warning, Mr. Thompson kicked him. It wasn't a soft nudge either. He kicked Max with such force that the poor dog yelped in pain. My heart stopped for a moment. Max looked at me with wide, confused eyes, his tail tucked between his legs, clearly hurt and frightened. I rushed over to him, kneeling to check if he was okay. My anger began to boil. Mr. Thompson, standing there with a smug look on his face, shrugged casually, as though his actions were justified. "I don't like dogs running around here," he said coldly, barely acknowledging the harm he had just caused. At that moment, I knew something had to be done. I wasn't going to let this go. With Max limping back to me, I stood up, my voice shaking with a mix of fury and disbelief. I went into the house and grabbed my legally registered firearm, a decision I never thought I'd have to make. Returning to the yard, I pointed the gun into the air and fired a warning shot. It wasn't to harm anyone, but to make it clear that I would not tolerate such behavior on my property. The loud noise echoed, and Mr. Thompson froze. His face turned, pale as he realized the gravity of what had just happened. "You have no right to hurt my dog or step onto my land without permission," I said firmly. Mr. Thompson stammered, clearly regretting his actions. Without another word, he turned and left, muttering something about legal action. In the aftermath, I made sure to consult with local authorities about the incident. The warning shot was within legal limits, but I knew I'd be dealing with the HOA president for a long time. Still, no one could deny that I had stood up for my dog, my property, and my rights. Max recovered quickly, and I remained vigilant, ensuring that this would never happen again.